Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can exchange rewards Alderweireld in FC Mobile. So in order to get this guys right here, you need to fulfill the exchange condition, which is you need to collect 8 Alderweireld tokens, and in here let's get back and see the conditions. So there are 8 token packs that you need to fulfill, or you need to finish to get the each token. So let's try the first one, the token pack 1. In token pack 1, so in this first token pack, and you need to fulfill this exchange condition, which is you need to exchange 570 plus OVR players. So here you can just click on this tab to add items, and then select the 5 players that you want to exchange. Okay, click on confirm. Now click on this exchange button. As you guys can see here, I got the token pack 1, and this is the Alderweireld token pack. You got the coins, Alderweireld tokens, and also the current value players. So you can just click on continue, and you can see now from 8 I already finished 1, so you need to do this 8 times. You can just click. So remember that you need to fulfill 8 tokens to be able to change the players. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Enjoy the game.